Hello, everybody. In order to celebrate Earth Day, which is this Wednesday, April 22nd, our lesson will focus on the topic of environmental art. Environmental art is art that explores the relationship between people and nature, like recycling. When we think of recycling, we often think of man-made items like cans, bottles, paper, but nature also recycles items like leaves, twigs, and flowers. In this lesson, we will look to see how two artists, Andy Goldsworthy and Angela Posey, make environmental art from recycled items, and you will use this information as inspiration to make your own environmental art piece. So let's look at our learning target. For this lesson, you can create an environmental art piece from recycled materials, either natural, man-made, or both, by using art as a resource to inspire your work. So let's take a closer look at our artist. Andy Goldsworthy is an environmental land artist who uses only nature to create artwork. He does not use any paint or even glue. Instead, he uses leaves or other natural materials and even spit for glue. He uses a lot of different things outdoors, and these things take a lot of time, but he is trying to discuss the relationship and patience between nature and human beings. I do have a video for you guys that is posted on the discussion board page, but I cannot play it in this video. It's not going to work in the video. So if you want to go check it out, go to discussion post number 5. Okay, now let's take a moment to look at a different kind of environmental artist, Angela Posey. Angela Posey makes environmental sculptures by collecting plastic pieces that have been washed up to shore. Okay, Posey makes these animal sculptures with trash to draw people's attention to the problem of littering and to encourage people to recycle. Okay, we can see all these tiny little pieces of trash that she's put together carefully to make these animals so that people start to think about what they're doing with the trash. Again, I do have a video for you guys to watch, and it's in discussion post number 5, so go check it out. She talks a lot about how she does this with multiple volunteers, and she's involved her whole community in it. It's very cool. Okay, so just one final look here before I send you guys off to do the assignment, the learning target. I can create an environmental art from recycled materials, natural or man-made, by using others' art like Andy and Angela as a resource to inspire my work. So going through the steps here, your success criteria, what you have to do, you're going to look at the environmental art. So I want you guys to go back and make sure you watch those videos, please. There's 2 and they're only a couple minutes long. Okay. Then you're going to gather up materials to make your own environmental art. Okay, and make sure you take a picture of it when you're done. You're making art that talks about that relationship between nature and people. Okay. You're going to give your environmental art a name, again, thinking about that relationship. And then when you're all done with it, you're going to post a picture of your art with that title you came up with. Okay, there's 2 samples over here. So you see these rocks that are balancing, and it says Finding Balance. Okay, this one is titled Connected. So this is something similar to what your post is going to look like. It's going to be a picture with a title. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with, and I really hope that you have fun with this assignment. Okay, happy Earth Day.